Hey YouTube family, my name is Be Informed. In this channel, you will get all the global news happens in our world. So please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and like my video. Let's start. As we all know, in our world, there are lots of war is going on between countries like Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine. In all these wars, there is new war started between Israel and Iran. In this video, we will talk about all the situation impact of this war in our earth. We will also describe you all about which country is more powerful, which other nation support whom, what are the impact of this war on stock market, infrastructure, etc. 1,70,000 active troops and over 4,65,000 in reserve. Military service is compulsory in Israel. Men serve around 32 months and women 24 months. Its ground force include legendary elite units like Sayyid Matkal, Sayyid 13 and Dovedan, trained for deep operations and anti-terror missions. Main infantries bridges include Golani paratroopers, Givati, Nahal, known for battlefield strength. Israel multi-layered missile defense is world famous. Iron Domes intercept short-range rockets. Another missile, David Sling, covers medium-range threats. Arrow 2 and 3 protect from long-range ballistic missiles. Offensively, Israel have Jericho third ballistic missile, possibly nuclear capable with over 5,000 km range. It also uses Delhi cruise missiles and Spike anti-tank missiles. Israel's main battle tank, the Marvika Mk4 Barak, is AI powered and protected by the Trophy APS, which intercept incoming threats. In the skies, the Israel Air Force flies F-351 Adir stealth jets, F-151 and over 200 F-16s. These drone power is unmatched, with UAVs like Hermes 900 Heron playing vital role in recon and strikes. Let's talk about Navy nuclear deterrence. Israel operates Dolphin class submarines believed to carry nuclear cruise missiles, giving it a second strike nuclear capability. Their naval fleet includes SAR 6 corvettes and allied naval commandos known as Shaiti 13. Let's talk about cyber warfare intelligence. Israel is a cyber superpower. Unit 8200 is its allied cyber unit, similar to the NSA. Mossad handles international intelligence and Shin Bet handles internal threats. Its defense industries like Rafael, IAI, and Elbit system export tech globally, from drones to missiles. Rafael are the planes which are used between the war of India and Pakistan. With advanced weapons, allied forces and unmatched intelligence, Israel military continues to one of the most advanced in the world. Here we have seen Israel all the defense power. Let's see Iran defense power. Let's take a powerful look at Iran's full military strength, from missiles and drones to allied forces and tanks. Iran is a key player in the Middle East with both traditional and unconventional capabilities. Let's talk about military structure. Iran total military manpower is over 5,80,000 active troops plus 3,50,000 reserve and a strong 2 lakh Revolutionary Guards Corps (IRGC). Mandatory service applies to most Iran men for 2 years. Let's talk about missiles and rockets. Iran missiles arsenal is its strongest weapon. Here are the highlights. Sahab 3 up to 2000 kilometer range. Sajil solid fuel missile range of about 2500 kilometer. Imad and Zulfagar short to medium range with precise guidance. Khyber Sekan Iran newest solid fuel missile range of 1450 km. Iran also develops a deadly drone fleet like a Shahid 136, which its export to proxy groups and even used in the war between Russia and Ukraine. Let's talk about ground forces and tanks. On land, Iran operates Zulfikar tanks, indigenously developed. Tank T-72 and T-62 tanks are from Russia. BTR BMR-2 and Tufan MRBPs are very heavy. Heavy artillery and Fazar rocket launchers. Despite aging equipments, Iran has invested. Get number 1. F-4 Phantom, F-5, F-14 Tomcat from US era. Get 2 MiG-29 and Su-24 from Russia. New acquisition Su-35 from Russia is progress. Drones like the Mohajir 6, Kamam 22 and Al-Babil has become key to surveillance and strike mission. Iran has navy and submarine also. Iran has two navies, the IRIN regular navies for open seas and the IRGC navy which dominates the Persian Gulf. Its fleet includes Ghadir class submarines, Majood class frigates, fast attack boats for swarm tactics, Noor, Qadir and Nasir anti-ship missiles. Iran cyber intelligence head far away. Iran cyber army, mainly operated by the IRGC, is powerful and active worldwide. Unit 110, Shahid Kawe Center and other cyber divisions target infrastructures, media and governments. Iran also supports many proxy groups in Syria, Lebanon, Iraq, Yemen. Iran nuclear ambitions is also very dangerous. As of now, Iran does not officially possess nuclear weapons, but it's enriching uranium up to 60%, very close to weapon grades. With the JCPOA deal collapse, internationally monitoring is limited. Let's talk about defense industry. Iran has built a self-reliant defense industry due to sensations, missiles, drones, radar, tanks, all developed domestically. Key producers are MODAFL, IRGC Aerospace, Defense Industrial Organization, DIO. Weapons are exported to projects across the Middle East. End of Iran defense system is Iran military is a mix of aging tech and modern missiles drone power. Its strength lies in asymmetric warfare, regional influence, and a massive missile program. Here we talk about both countries' defense system. Let's talk about impact of this economic, social of this war. Oil prices surge. Iran may block the Strait of Hormuz. So YouTube family, in this video we have talked about war between Israel and Iran, which country is powerful. We have also done difference between both countries troop army ammunitions, and we have also talked about all the impact of this war in global market and Indian market. If you get any information from my video, so please subscribe, like and press bell icon. And if you want full update on Russia Ukraine war, Israel Palestine war, so please comment. I will bring video on this topic also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.